Euchromatin is a genome in open state. They are loose, as you see here. They are transcriptionally active chromatin, whereas heterochromatin is dense and is transcriptionally inactive. Heterochromatin stains deeply, as you see here, whereas euchromatin stains slightly because of low DNA density. Euchromatin replicates early in the S phase, whereas heterochromatin replicates late in the S phase. Euchromatin is transcriptionally active, allows gene expression and access to RNA polymerase, whereas heterochromatin is transcriptionally inactive, maintains structural integrity, and silences genes. The markers of euchromatin are histone acetylation, that is H3 histone 3, lysine 9 acetylation, histone 3, lysine 27 acetylation, histone 4, lysine 16 acetylation, then H3K4 methylation, H3K36 trimethylation. Whereas the markers of heterochromatin include histone 3, lysine 9 trimethylation, histone 3, lysine 9 dimethylation, and histone 3, lysine 27 trimethylation. There is a protein that is bound which is called as heterochromatin protein 1, which is often called as gene silencer. So these are the typical markers of heterochromatin. Thanks for joining 1 Minute Classroom at Biology Exams for You. Take care. Stay blessed.